Hello everyone, welcome back to Mystic Pour Studio. Today we are going to create this stunning shell-shaped bowl using chameleon powders. So let's begin. I'm using 3 different colors for this project. To start, I'm turning the mold inside out, making it easier to apply the colors. With a clean flat paintbrush, I'm carefully applying the first color to the mold, ensuring it's evenly distributed. After applying each color, I'll tap the mold to ensure there's no excess powder left. I'll also clean the other parts of the mold to prevent the colors from mixing. I'm quickly going to apply all 3 colors, covering the entire mold.
I just knew that I had to be with you. Thought about a seat and breakfast in my bed. We were holding hands.
Next, I'll turn the mold back into its original shape and mix the resin.
Down by the bay under the stars.
I am adding black mica powder to create the base.
For you.
Chameleon powders really stand out against a black background. As I slowly pour the resin, I'll be popping any bubbles to make sure none are trapped inside as the mold fills. I'm also making sure the resin reaches all the corners of the mold.
And I knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you.
Once the mold is filled, we'll leave it to cure for at least 12 hours. It's time to demold. Look how beautifully the colors have come out. The black resin really makes them pop. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.